on, j'espère que vous allez bien. This is Ankita and I am TEF Canada coach residing in Toronto in Canada. Thanks to this TEF Canada exam, I got my PR in a very short possible time and I am here to make your dream come true. So this video is going to be about the TEF exam pattern changes speculations, which is going to take place in October 2023. Mind you guys, this is something which is just a speculation right now. Nothing is official. CCIP Paris has not really declared it officially on their website, but probably it's going to get happen. This is why I'm making this video and we are going to talk about this in this short quick video. Hence, stay tuned. Let's talk about what is changing. So what is not changing first are the speaking and the writing. So speaking and the writing are not changing. That's a sigh of relief for us. What is changing? First is reading, the comprehensive écrit. Comprehensive écrit, now you get 60 minutes. In the new pattern, you're again going to get 60 minutes. Just that now you attempt 50 questions. Going forward, it's going to be 40 questions. What is going to be maybe obsoleted or maybe taken away could be the section A or the one at the text are through the D part where you have to match the synonyms of the text. Most likely this is going to be taken away and they are going to be filled with more French authentic documents which are based on social, professional and personal life, or maybe the la vie quotidienne of the French culture and the French domain. So that's something that's going to be filled in by, and you will have to attempt 40 questions. Talking about the listening quickly, right now you get 40 minutes. Going forward, it's again going to be 40 minutes. What might change? Maybe the first section you get where the audio is repeated twice and where you see the images, and the second is the one where you have to respond to the reason why the person called. And last but not the least, the section D, wherein you have to identify between the sounds, so sound difference. So most likely they are going to be taken away and you are going to be given more French authentic documents which could be based on certain radio channels such as RFE.fr. So you might find longer documents from there. This is most likely going to get changed. However, let me tell you that there are all speculations right now because CCIP Paris has not confirmed anything officially. It is just probably. However, we have a strong feeling that it might change. So we really need to adapt our strategies in a way that if in case it changes, then how exactly it's going to impact us. Frankly speaking, it shouldn't impact as much because the person who is ready to do anything, as in to invest your time and energy in listening and reading, it should be okay. My message here would be, do not panic. Because if you panic, you will end up signing up for the exam in August and September thinking that no, it's going to change. I don't want to adapt to the changes. Even if you're not ready, you're going to sign up for the exam. But that's not worth it because exam is stressful. And second, it is financially expensive. So why to take a test right now is if it is going to be your first attempt and you feel that you're not ready. If you're ready, by all means, go ahead. But if you're not ready, I would say don't sign up for the exam right now. Rather sign up in October, for October, so that is going to be your first attempt. Because any which ways, even if you sign up now and you fail, you will anyway take the next exam by October. Then again, that's going to be actually your first attempt because now you will have to readapt to the new structure. So no point, guys, taking the exam in a hasty decision. Rather, sit, prepare, strategize, and then sign up for the exam because that's going to really add value. The other thing which I also want to talk about is if you decide to take an exam in October, listen to lot of RFE, TV 5 Monde, France Enter. In fact, I'll put the list here down below so that you know that what's something that ear has to be tuned into. because it is super important to be adapted, to get adapted to the new bit of audio style and structure as soon as possible. For the reading, of course, I'm very happy to share certain material. I'll also put the link down below so that you know that what all that you can read to get ready for the exam. Last but not the least, changes are bound to happen. They might have happened by now. If not, they may happen later in future. So don't get panicked. The TEF is something, it's still a French exam. It's still something that you will be able to crack it if you're ready to invest your time and energy in the right directions to it. So I would say just calm down, relax, focus. The more you focus, the better you would get, and the better you would get, you will have high chances to clear the exam. Thank you so much. If you still need my help and assistance, feel free to comment. I'm available on WhatsApp. I'm available on Telegram. Feel free to connect with me or book my private one-on-one session. I will be very happy to guide you. And thank you so much for your support. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and if you would like to know something more, please feel free please put it in the comments so that I know on what subject particularly I am supposed to make a video on. And do watch out my playlist of the section A, section B, because they are just amazing. Merci. Au revoir.